Okay, hi, Owen from Earth here. Here's your quick rundown of the spectrum system used for rail, vegetation and ground stability. So, what is it? Looking for geohazards and looking for other hazards using satellite data for the purposes of reducing health and safety risk, for enabling monitoring across an entire network, and for reducing the emissions of surveys. So, what is it? Here is the ground stability data from our partner SatSense. As you can see, for every single location where you can see a dot here, you get a timeline for the last 5 years, accurate to sub-millimeter level of the ground subsidence, ground movement. And as you can see, it varies considerably across this image, from a lot of movement in the dark red points to less movement in the white points. So you get a lot of returns from the rails. This can do things like tell you where a landslide has occurred, what the movement was before it, or even by using the movement over time, spotting when the movement suddenly increases, which can then be an indicator of a failure. In this case, the data showed potential failure 6 months before it occurred. It's also vegetation clearance data. So here we extract that from satellite imagery and then create risk maps for the incursion of vegetation on the railway. So we can provide these as alignment sheets or in our portal showing locations where the vegetation has grown very close to the line. Here's our portal where we deliver the data. Here you can see a map. We've got satellite imagery of the locations, very high resolution satellite imagery. We can see vegetation change data, which shows where the vegetation has changed from the previous observation. And then also the subsidence data from SatSense, all overlaid in there so that it can be studied and used by your organisation. So that's Spectrum for Rail. Please get in touch if you'd like to know more. Thanks a lot.